making yogurt parfait. And to make yogurt parfait, you need Greek yogurt, honeycombs, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and more raspberries, and honey. So first, you have to take some Greek yogurt and dump some in. You mix the honey up with all the yogurt. But if you want, you can also use a blender if it works. And then if you want, you can put honeycombs in. And then when you're done putting all of those in, you can mix it. Good. Also remember you have to put Greek yogurt and it has to be vanilla and lots of honey. You can put a quarter of a bottle, a honey bottle, and don't forget to get honeycomb.